Hey, it's Jeremy from Fun with Wheels, and today we're swapping the shift knob on my 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This is the factory knob. Nothing really wrong with it, but if you're like me and you have monster paws, it's a little small and it's a little plain looking. So just remove the boot, pull straight down, and the knob itself unscrews counterclockwise. Just thread it in. If you're going with an aftermarket shift knob, you will want to swap the boot as well because that chrome ring is indexed and it has a little pathway on each side to make sure it lines in with the new knob. Here's the factory knob removed. Got a plain, but otherwise nothing wrong with it. You can see it looks pretty tiny in my hand. And the TRD knob right next to it, a little nicer looking, and it's just a little bigger overall, so the shifter has kind of a better feel and a little nicer look, a little red in the interior, looks good. So here's a side-by-side of the two. You can get the TRD knob for about $99 on Amazon. There's a link on the Fun with Wheels website if you want to pick one of those up. So to install the new knob, pretty straightforward. Just drop it on there, spin it clockwise until it's nice and tight. Once it's firmed up, make sure it's facing forward, and you'll see those little index lines, and that boot's going to click right into place. So I'm just checking it from all sides and kind of running it through the gears just to make sure there's no gap showing. Everything looks good. And we're all set. Nice quick upgrade. Hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead and click like and subscribe if you like this video, or check out our website at www.funwithwheels.com.